welcome to Tammy's Urban Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some strawberry salsa and also some cinnamon and sugar tortilla chips. It's been a great summertime snack for us as a family. I've made it for many years and I just wanted to share it with you because I think you would love it. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. All my fruit here. I'm just going to clean them up. Gotta wash my berries. So while those are rinsing, I will pour and peel my apples and get the oranges all ready. Normally I would use probably like a navel orange, but I just have these mandarins on hand, so I'm going to use mandarins today. If you were using navel oranges, I think you could, and they were quite large, you could just get away with using 2, but I'm going to use 4 mandarins. You know what, I think I will turn off my dehydrator. I've got my dehydrator going on behind me, just dehydrating some almond pulp from this morning that needed to get done. So I'm going to turn that off in a minute. So yeah, once you get all your fruit prepped, it's really quick. I used to cut everything up by hand, but honestly I've got this Ninja and it works amazing. And it just saves on the work too for your hands, and my hands definitely get enough work. I don't have to do extra, that's for sure. I don't have to. So just coring these apples up, and then I will peel them. So I'll just peel them quickly. A peeler also would probably take a little less off than I am, but I just find this a little handier just to give them a quick peel. Make sure that cores out. Sometimes when you use the apple core, it doesn't quite take all of the center out perfectly, so you may have to take some core out, but for the most part it's pretty good. So just get the apples all done. Yeah, once you have all your fruit prepped, then it's really quick. You know, sometimes that is the most work I find in recipes, is all the prep. And once it's prepped, the cooking time is pretty short usually. So this is nice too, because it's not a cooked recipe. It just goes right into the fridge for you to enjoy whenever you like. Oh yeah, I'll grab that. There, a little quieter. So yeah, this has been a family time favorite for quite some time. It's always a request when we're having a family gathering. It's fun to make and fun to eat. This suits everybody usually. So there's all the apples. Take those ends off the strawberries. Once again, you know, I say 10 strawberries. Some of these are really big, so you may use less, and it's really what you prefer. You know, some people prefer more strawberries, some people prefer more oranges. This is strawberry salsa, so more strawberries is always better. All right, so we've got all those ready to go. All right, so now the easy to put everything here in the food processor. I'm just going to do everything together. Last time I had cut my oranges a bit before, but not this time. Let's see how this goes. You know, I think I'll do just the apples and oranges. Let's see how that goes. Good consistency there. So now I'll just dump that into my bowl. Nice. And now I'll just do the strawberries. I forget to put the meat in first. Toss in the berries. Down the sides a little once, in case any bigger chunks came up, and just one more pulse. Good. Won't be needing that anymore. To add in our strawberries. How yummy that looks. Okay, so now once that's all into your bowl, give it a little stir. And now you can add the other ingredients here. Smells so fresh, it is so tasty. Okay, so now I'm going to add a half cup of brown sugar. Now you may or may not want to add that much, that's totally up to you, your preference. And you can also use, you know, a maple syrup, you can probably use stevia. Speaking of stevia, there is a sweetener, I did buy some yesterday. And I'm just wondering if it's a 1-to-1 substitute, so I'm going to check that out. Messy. And then a half teaspoon cinnamon. Once again, give or take whatever your tastes are, but that's a baseline. I do half a teaspoon of the cinnamon and do another stir with the sugar. Get everything incorporated. This is nice if you do let it sit overnight or, you know, even a couple hours. But I understand if you can't wait. Get those cinnamon chips made and ready to dig in. All right. So there is strawberry salsa. You know what? I'm going to just put some in this bowl. That's about half of it. That's quite a bit. So yes, there is our strawberry salsa. I hope you enjoyed that, and now I'm going to get busy making the tortilla chips. See you soon. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.
And I am bringing some great new content to you and more videos, so I really look forward to that. I've got some great sauces coming up and falafel bites, so I'm really excited just to bring some new videos to you, and I hope you enjoy. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.